Hi friends, welcome to question 13 2011. And of course this question is saying that when a consumer is at equilibrium, the MRS of x to y or of xy is equal to. So of course this question is on consumer behavior, that's utility theory, and there are two standard approaches for your level, and the approaches are cardinalist approach and the ordinalist approach, but this question is based on the ordinalist approach. So the ordinalist approach believes that utility cannot be measured in monetary terms, but rather wants can be ranked, and that's why it is also called the indifference curve approach. Let me just expose you to a few things here. So under this approach we have something called the indifference curve. So the indifference curve looks like this. So the indifference curve is a locus of points showing the combination of two commodities x and y that yield equal satisfaction to the consumer. And I just want you to know that the slope of the indifference curve is negative, and it is the ratio of the marginal utilities of commodity x and the marginal utility of commodity y. So the slope of the indifference curve is the ratio of their marginal utilities, and that's why we call it MRS, marginal rate of substitution, MRS. So the MRS is the same thing as the ratio of the marginal utilities of the two commodities, and that is the slope of the indifference curve. So on the other hand, the slope of the budget line, the budget line shows the income of the consumer, and so the slope of the budget line is the ratio of the prices of the two commodities. And of course, for utility to be maximized under the ordinalist approach, the indifference curve and the budget line, this is the budget line, the indifference curve and the budget line must be tangential. So tangential. So what do we mean by tangential? It means that the slope of the indifference curve, the slope of the IC indifference curve, must be equal to the slope of the budget line. So we said that the slope of the budget line is the ratio of the price of the two commodities, and the slope of the indifference curve is the ratio of their marginal utilities. So the question is saying that when a consumer is at equilibrium, the MRS is equal to the, we said that the slope of the indifference curve is the MRS, and the slope of the budget, it must be equal to the slope of the budget line, which is the ratio of the two prices. Therefore our answer is option C. Hope you understood this, and ensure you share with your friends. Hope to see you in the next tough question. Many thanks for watching.